Wait, why am I yawning? It's the afternoon. Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy, Strawberry Milk, and in today's video, we're going to be trolling in Roblox Bed Wars once again. I guess you could say I farmed a lot of this, XP. Yeah, in like 2 videos, I became this. Wait, what the heck? Wait. Okay, that was weird. It was glitching for a second. But yeah, the point of this is, I can be a friend. Very chunky. But yeah, all I'm gonna do for now is just eat, because yeah, we're obviously the elder tree, so we're going to become chunky, and we're going to troll people with our big, buff, muscular flamingo muscles. Also, my smiley face works again. It was blank before. I like changed the file of it or something like that. I don't know. I was trying to make my own custom Roblox face and it didn't work. Sniffle, sniffle, sniffle. Oh my gosh, I should make like an orb farm. I just realized. Let me like go do that. Oh my gosh, I have so much. So yeah, I'm gonna go make an orb farm, and I guess we're gonna start trolling. I think a good idea for this orb farm would be basically like until the end of this. So I think it's up to these 4. If we need to make it more, we can always make it more. Wow, I actually like designed that perfectly. I thought it was gonna be like 1 off, but it wasn't. So we're just going to build. This is kind of boring, so I'll just have the magical creator of Bed Wars do it for me in the snap of a finger, or I just say 3, 2, 1 flamingo. So as you can see, editing is cool. Chunky. All our goal is for today's video is just to become the biggest chunky donkey. Be glad I stopped the recording halfway through that word, because that just sounded so wrong. Chunky donkey. Don't ask how I came up with that. All you should ask is how I'm about to kill people with this iron sword. Oh my god, auto-clicking! Let's see what we have in the chat. Ooh, drama. Yeah, so we're not really doing much trolling here, and that's what we're supposed to be doing, so. Okay, how has it been like 4 minutes into the game, and my teammate has not built a single bridge over the middle? Like, 3 bridges should already be built already. Like, that's usually what happens in my days. So we're gonna start building. I can't speed bridge on computer because I'm like not that epic gamer, but we're going to go grab our orbs, and the orb farm isn't working yet. But dude, consume. If I can just consume it, yes, I consumed it. That's all I care about. I just want to eat and become thick. Unless these sweaty teenagers are stopping. Stop! Dude, please, I'm just trying to become thick. That's all I wanted to do in life. Dude, I didn't want to be a thick boy. Yeah, but 2 diamonds. Oh, and now our the farm starts to work. Come on! Okay, yeah. It's hard to play on computer, at least for me. I seriously need to do like practice videos. But yeah, this is part 6, I think. So, we're gonna have to get 6 likes on this video. Don't let me down. So yeah, we're gonna try this again. Hopefully it goes smoother this round. And more chunky. I just want to punch my monitor right now. The funny thing is, it took me like 2 hours to load into this game. And now I'm not paired up with anyone. So that's pretty cool. This is so dumb. So duels wasn't really doing it for me today, so I just wanted to try solos. Actually, I haven't played solos in a long time. Well, here goes nothing. And it's on my favorite map. Wow, that's actually kind of funny. But, you want to know something else funny? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to say the funny thing. Chunky elder tree. Okay. Wait, what? They buffed the baguette? Oh, wow. Or, I mean, like, they like, made it more expensive. Wow. Okay. I mean, it's only 5 more iron, but wow. They didn't really need to do that. It wasn't really even that OP. But, yeah. Now I can just troll people with a piece of bread. Or just a freaking piece of my mind if they think about it. Ah, we got little Timmy rushing. Hello. What's up, bro? Ah, yeah. He's running back because he ran out of blocks. So cool. Yeah, you ran out of blocks. Oh, I see you're trying to get more blocks. Well, it's gonna be so sad once I knock you off the face with a breadstick. Okay, well, it's a baguette, okay? I'm not stupid. Yeah, I'm just gonna scare this guy and act like the only weapon I have is a breadstick. Yo, what's up, bro? But then I actually have an iron sword. Sure. Did my guy just fall off the map? Well, I'm not complaining. Alright, time to make a new bridge. Jeez, this guy is really good with blocks. Also, sorry for any background noises. I'm leaving to go to some place sus. This guy is stupid. Nice bed. Okay, maybe solo is a little bit better. Also, I never use shift lock in bedwars. Like, it never works out for me, like, even on mobile. It works out with me for, like, every other game, like, dungeon quests, like, definitely. Also, your bed is gone, right? Good. Wanted a free bed, maybe, for some quests and stuff, but guess that's not going to be happening. Okay, I want to troll people with this breadstick, okay? Fine, it's a baguette. I'm just used to calling it a breadstick, alright? Breadstick. Also, some other people call it breadstick. Breadstick. But, yeah, baguette, breadstick. You can basically just call it whatever you want. There's not, like, a wrong name for it. It's still just a piece of bread. Fat, chunky, monkey piece of bread. Chunky is the chunky. Oh, what the heck just happened? Fine. Okay. Is Chunky's the chunky elder tree? Chunky elder tree. Very epic. Dude trying to steal my emeralds. That's not really how you play this game. You don't steal emeralds from me. It just doesn't work out like that. Now let me get my baguette ready and where is this guy? Oh, here he is. Baguette. Ah, come on. Wait. At least make it so I keep it when I die. Okay, if they didn't make it, like... Okay, you make it a higher price, but you don't make it so I keep it when I die. I'd be okay with the baguette being like 120 iron if I keep it after I die. Dude, look at all these orbs. I just want to become chunky. It's like chunky elder tree. I've said like chunky elder tree like 15 times. If you count the exact amount of times I said chunky elder tree, you might get some free Robux. So, grab that. Just try and speed collect these orbs over here. 166, wow. We're just gonna buy a ton of baguettes here. 5 baguettes sounds reasonable. Blocks. Yes, we need blocks. No, 4. Oh, hold on. I'm starting to get a little bit too chunky, so I have to like build more. Okay, maybe I can speed bridge on computer. I'm just not good with like sprinting. So let's move a little bit this way. And finally, we actually get emeralds. Wow, I just knocked someone off with the baguette. And I get some emeralds for it. Sweet. Hopefully I can... Yeah, this guy's pretty mad about what I just did to him. Well, you're gonna get it again. Get baguette. Get knocked off with this baguette. Get baguetted up. Baguette. Die for my baguette. Are you kidding? Chunky baguette. Also, I'm sorry, nerds, but I ran out of time for this video. I have to go somewhere. So yeah, see you baguettes later. Chunky.